In our last travel vlog, you saw us exploring Luxembourg, where we'd spent 3 weeks.
Goodbye cheap fuel. Hello Belgium. We're now in Belgium again, and we're going to be exploring 2 nature parks and finding some more great good value parkups. Not sure if we're going to get on.
There was some dedicated places for motorhomes. There were a service point if you wanted to spend €1. We didn't need it, so that's okay. Quiet night's sleep was very good.
It was sad to see the photographs of St Vith and its almost total destruction during the Battle of the Bulge in December 1944. The Buchel Tower, the town's only original architecture left, was repaired in 1961. The church was also badly damaged, but now is being rebuilt, and inside it felt really modern and fresh. It's not a pretty place, but it's free. This is what happens when you come to a peat bog restoration site in the rain. And somebody has enjoyed themselves and got really muddy. Smelly peat mud. Service time, 50 cents. So thoughts on this camper stop, Andrew?
Very good. €7 for the night. We put 50 cents in the electric meter, so 50 cents per kilowatt hour. There must have been some left over from a previous visitor because it's lasted us literally till this morning. Whilst it doesn't look it now, actually the spaces, the pictures, whilst they board, when you park on them, they're fairly level really, so we didn't use chocks. And then we've just put 50 cents worth of water in. Only thing you can't do here is dump your chemical waste. You can only dump your grey waste, which is a shame. So good value. So we've chosen to predominantly go to official sites, and we've been to some wild camping spots, but they're authorised. But for this, it's not worth trying to scrat about for 50 cents trying to find water somewhere else. It's just so easy. Why would I try and scrat about at cemeteries and things like that, as I know people do? And that's their choice. but I can't be bothered. For 50 cents for water and €7 for a secure, authorised, you're not going to get a knock it middle at night moving you on, €7 here, close to town, I'm happy. So where we're going to today?
Well, we're going to leave Eastern Wallonia and we're heading into Eastern Flanders. And then when the weather improves this weekend, we're going to go to the national park, and I have to check my book, Hoog Kempen.
Where?
Hoog Kempen.
National park, full of nature.
Full of nature.
Like where we were yesterday, there was no nature.
Yeah, true. And that's the plan, really.
These are my driving slippers.
Old man slippers. Comfort first. Number of days, so we'll just do one. Pay. Oh, where to go? We've got the whole place to ourselves. So we've got to choose our spot. I think it's cute. It's Roger. I think this is for the kids to follow with the little eyes. It's cute. Planetarium. This is Albrecht. Well, the sun is shining and we are in Maasmechelen to go to a nature reserve.
It's warm.
It's lovely and sunny.
I've got my white pins out.
Look at them legs.
Ivory.
My legs with knee support.
Park up last night, really good, very quiet, good night's sleep, really clean, level, €10, electricity and other things on top, but yeah, it was nice park up. Right, so we're here.
Yep. So the visitors centre and the tower thing to go up that is there. Yeah. And then that is Centre Parks actually. Up at the top.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. But there's a few walks around this lake. And the tower there to go and have a walk up. I think you can view that.
Our 11s is getting us the energy so that we can walk and hike and stuff.
We don't know what this one is. It's some sort of vanilla egg and then rhubarb, which seems really popular in Belgium. Leaving Andrew behind. He's saving his knees for later. I'm going to try and walk up this coal mining thing. Everything is very well signed for the different routes, isn't it? Oh, what did just read on it?
I've tried to rip our pages out, but then our story won't close. I've tried to read new things, I just hear the same tale retold. Do I put you on the shelf, let you collect dust and grow old? Or do I carry you around till you grow easier to hold? 'Cause maybe it's not that the fog hasn't lifted, it's that I still can't see a thing. It's that I add more steel to my armor, and all it does is leave me weak.
You're happy now, bud?
Tiger on the prowl, I'ma make it go wild. I'm original, and I told you so. I'm a kid in the candy store, with the leather on the denim. I ain't the cure, I'm the venom. If you wanna find me, find the taillight. Something's coming in, you're gonna wanna take a red eye. It's time to go. It's time to go. Get ready.
It's incredible to think that that is all a big slag heap from the coal mining.
Don't blink, get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Don't blink, don't blink. I don't wait for nobody, I'm a summon it.
Well, that's us parked up again at this brilliant park up. Thanks for staying with us till the end of the vlog. If you tune in next time, we will be visiting a citadel and staying overnight.
An open air museum.
And lots of other stuff that I can't remember. So, thank you very much.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and ding the bell.
Don't blink, get ready. Get ready.